Good morning, students. Today we will be starting with interfacing of Arduino with 7-segment display. So for simulation, I will take a breadboard. I will take Arduino. So now I will take a 7-segment display from here. So if you cannot find in the list, you just type in the search button 7-segment. So you will get here. There it is, 7-segment display. So I will attach it somewhere here in the board, and then I have to make double click and I have to say whether it is common anode connection I am making or common cathode. Let us say now I am making common cathode. Okay. So for common cathode, what happens is you have to, okay, now I have to give the connection part. So you have to see, okay, now see this is given as common terminal. So this common terminal for cathode, as I tell, it will go in ground. So I will make this as ground terminal because it is common cathode, it will go to ground. Okay, then you have to see. Okay, when I point here at this point, it is gives that it is pin A. So let us say I am connecting now pin A to pin number 2. Depends on you, whatever pin you want to select, you can select. Let us say I am selecting pin 2 for A. You can select any pin. Then let us say I am going for, this is for B. So let us say I am going for B at pin number 3. I will go sequence wise so that my program is become easy. Then this is DP. This is C. Okay, this is C, so I will take it as here. This is pin C acting at 4. Then pin D. This is point D. So D will be connected at next point. D is connected to 5. Then we have E here. So I will connect E to 6. Then we have this F. If this is G. Okay, I will have to have F first. So F will be connected to 7. Then we have G here. G will be connected to 8. And display pointer, if you want, you can connect. If you don't want, you can leave it. So this will be connected, let us say, to 9. This is optional. You have to, if you want, you can skip. So now these are the connections. Connection is already done. Now you go for programming part. So I will open this code. And yes, I will just copy. I have just copy pasted the code here, where I have given A2, B3 and so on. And these are the codes which we have discussed earlier. So now I will go for simulation part. There is some error, and that error is, okay, this should be void loop. That's a mistake. So this should be void, not setup, this should be void loop because it should run continuously. Close, and then again I will write simulation. There it is. So this code is working. You can see the digits are displayed, but there is something shown that more current is passed. So we have not used the resistor because it is LED. Resistor should be used before giving the direct connection. So when you use the resistor, it will be okay. Let me show you one thing. Okay, one more thing I will do is, let us say I will make it as common anode. Okay, so if it is common anode, if this is common anode, this has to be connected to positive terminal. So I will connect this to positive 5 volts. Okay, but through a resistor. So I will take a resistor first. register is there, and then I will connect this. I have made it common anode, mind well. I have made it common anode. Now let us go for programming part. In programming, because it is common anode, whatever is high, we have to keep it as low. So this will become low. If I want to display 0, this has to be low. Control V, just copy pasting the things. It's very easy to write the program. Control V, and this should be taken as. In place of high and low, you can also write 0 and 1. So here I will write 0 is coming, okay. This is 1 and this is 0, 0. Okay, 1 digit we have to go extra. So now you can see 0 and 1 will display properly. Okay, 0 is coming proper. 1 is also coming proper. Okay. So now again I will go to code. Okay, so based on this ABCD LEDs, I have made the changes in the program. And let us now see that code is working. So 0, then after 3 seconds it will be 1, then it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and again it will start the loop. So this completes the program of displaying 0 to 9 on a digital display with common anode. Same thing you can do with common cathode. Just what you have to do is, whatever you have connected this terminal to 5 volt, this terminal will be connected to ground. That's it. That's the difference. And in the programming, wherever you have to on the LED, you have to keep 1. Where you have to keep the LED off, you have to put it 0. Now in this, you can have various varieties like display only even numbers, display only odd numbers, display A, B, C, D, E. So you can make the changes in the programming and you can do the things. For example, if I tell you that display only odd numbers, so what you do is, if you want to display odd numbers, you delete for even numbers. It is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. You delete the code for that. Similarly, if you want to display only the even numbers on the screen, so you delete the code for odd numbers. Don't write the code for odd numbers. So you can skip the codes for 0, 1, 3, 5 and 7 and 9. And similarly, let us say if I want to tell you that display ABCD on screen. So what we will do is, let us go to the PPT part. If I want to make A on the screen, what I will do is, if I want to make A on screen, so this is my A. So what is this? This is A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So only D should be off, rest all the things should be on. So that's it. It will display A. So hope you have understood the program on how to connect or how to interface 7-segment LED with Arduino. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you.